Okay, so this is going to be a quick video on how to set up a business page. Go to pages. You just saw I did that. I have a lot of pages. So I'm going to do a new one just for this video. Let's see. Create new page. Gonna put your page name. Okay. Health, beauty. You want to hit that. Create page. Simple as that. Hit create page. And everything else you can add once you go to the page, right? Finish setting the page. You can just hit next. I'm gonna skip all this. This is what you do. You fill out all this if you want. If not, you can skip all over it. You can skip over it. I'm skipping. I just want you to do all that. You can invite your friends. Keep that on. Leave that on. And then you want to take a tour if you would like. It's going to show you exactly what to do. Take the tour so you can see. If you're not familiar, take the tour. Okay, and that's it. Simple. That took what, 5 minutes to make a business page. The only thing now is setting up, putting your pictures there, adding your about, everything you do to your regular page, you do to your business page. So that's real quick. Told you the video is less than 2 minutes. This is 2 minutes and 12 seconds and I'm done. Everything else is self-explanatory. You can read through it. You can do all of that right here. And so that's just a quick video on that. And I will share another video more detailed on how to set up your business page. Okay, so that's how you do it. There it is, less than 3 minutes. All set up, ready to put your pictures on and start promoting and start, getting out there. All right, see you in the next video. Bye-bye.